Hello there. Are you thinking of building a career in accounting or tax? Do you want to become a recognized professional in Uganda's finance or tax sector? If your answer is yes, I personally invite you to enroll in our CPA and CTA programs at Apex Tax and Accounting School. So, what is the CPAU course? The Certified Public Accountants of Uganda CPAU course is a professional program designed for individuals seeking to practice accounting in Uganda. Upon completion, you're awarded the CPA designation, a highly respected professional title in the field of finance and accounting. CPAs can work as financial advisors, auditors, business consultants, public accountants, and can take up any finance-related position in a company, whether in the public or private sector. The Certified Tax Advisor (CTA) course, on the other hand, is a prestigious qualification for individuals who want to practice tax agency and become experts in tax matters in Uganda. Upon completion, you earn the respected CTA professional designation. CTAs can serve as tax agents, tax consultants, customs agents, and take on corporate tax roles in both local and multinational companies. Today, many businesses choose to outsource their tax responsibilities to professionally trained CTAs, and that's where you come in. Once you're a CPA or CTA, the opportunities are endless. At Apex Tax and Accounting School, we offer both online and in-person physical classes to suit your schedule. Join the top performing students in Uganda and learn from the best. We're an approved and recognized tuition provider for the CPA and CTA courses, with over 10 years of experience in training successful accountants and tax professionals. Our programs come with interactive and recorded lectures, study textbooks and revision kits, interactive quizzes and discussion groups, and flexible payment plans. Our July 2025 intake is now open. This July 2025 intake prepares you for the November-December examination diet, so the time to start is now. Don't miss out on our exclusive early bird offer. Register now and enjoy a 10% discount on your tuition, available to students who make their payment today. For your personalized fee quote, class timetable, and course breakdown, simply click the registration link below or contact us via WhatsApp. Get in touch with us on email, WhatsApp contact, or website address showing on your screen right now. Come and join a community of ambitious, top-performing students, and let Apex Tax and Accounting School guide you to success in your accounting or tax career. Register today, secure your future. Let's get started.